Hey kids, can you guess the animal name? Look carefully. Let's play the fun animal guessing game. Guess this animal name. It says woof woof. Dog. Guess this animal name. It says meow meow. Cat. Guess this animal name. It is the king of the jungle. Lion. Guess this animal name. It has orange and black stripes. Tiger. Guess this animal name. It has a long trunk. Elephant. Guess this animal name. It loves bananas. Monkey. Guess this animal name. It has a very long neck. Giraffe. Guess this animal name. It loves honey. Bear. Guess this animal name. It is black and white. Panda. Guess this animal name. It loves carrots. Rabbit. Guess this animal name. It has black and white stripes. Zebra. Guess this animal name. It has an orange tail. Fox. Guess this animal name. It jumps and says ribbit. Frog. Guess this animal name. It says onk onk. Pig. Guess this animal name. It gives milk. Cow. Guess this animal name. It says cluck cluck. Chicken. Guess this animal name. It says quack quack. Duck. Guess this animal name. It runs very fast. Horse. Guess this animal name. It gives wool. Sheep. Guess this animal name. It has horns. Goat. Guess this animal name. It has antlers. Deer. Guess this animal name. It lives in Australia. Koala. Guess this animal name. It swims in the ocean with sharp teeth. Shark. Guess this animal name. It jumps in the sea. Dolphin. Guess this animal name. It carries its house on its back. Turtle. Guess this animal name. It slithers on the ground. Snake. Guess this animal name. It says HOOHOO at night. Owl. Guess this animal name. It flies very high. Eagle. Guess this animal name. It lives in cold, icy places. Penguin. Guess this animal name. It makes honey. Bee. Bye bye, like, share and subscribe.